So I got this right. You know the good thing about the Great Dividing Range in Australia? It's a good thing for religious monuments. Australia, the Druid Belt, could be a medieval land of hidden religion. It's the religion of the living every day to the fullest extent. There's a lot of hills, but no king. You must wonder why. Compass points. Oh, we got space. The valley in the shadow of death. But see, this is the alloy rim. This is just an alloy rim. But if you fucking put a triangle over the alloy rim, you get Uranus, Monoceros, Sirius up here, and you got Orion's belt that hangs on the fringe here at 9:30. Or it can be down here, depending on where the triangle hits. You know, that's why I put Orion's belt on the fucking outside of the fucking alloy rim. You know? That's just like snowy, hydro. But you see, so do we all want to know the truth about Nazi farmers? We all know Hitler was a serpent. He did it to breathe. That's the thing. That's the thing. It was so bad, it molded people in the mind. They thought how could they do such a thing? But Hitler just played a role in our history. I wasn't in the war. It even complicates things in Australia's day and age. But that's why I'm living outer space. On the Druid Belt, we look to the stars to feel down to earth. In the shadows, they disguise the true nature of eternal damnation. Cosmic civilization might exist thousands of years away in the distant stars behind the Milky Way. I've contacted the Parkes radio telescope and have gotten hay fever twice. As we know, it's summer 2025, January 28th. How could I exist seasons apart? So, you know, and I forgot to say Picta's in the middle. That's why I wrote Picta there. Highway Picta. I don't know what I wrote there. Martian. Well, Martian highway, I thought. High planet Martian. And what do you reckon it means? But you know, like, what if people just get sucked up into space when they go? Like, it's up and away, and it's just a cruel joke, you know? But that's what I've fucking written down.